Good morning, guys. Hey, we're dealing with spelling unit number 21. We're dealing with some compound words. Now, let me explain what compound words are. Sounds scary, sounds big, but this is a compound word right here. Rainbow and starfish, those are compound words. I know they might not be in our spelling list, but I just want to explain what they are. A compound word is one word. One word, but it's made up of two separate words. As you can tell here, rainbow, that's one word, but it's made up of rain and bow. Two different words that make up a new word. Rainbow. Star and fish. It's a starfish. Now you can kind of tell how it works and why they combine those two words, because a rainbow is like a bow after it rains, right, in the sky. Right? A starfish is a fish that looks like a star. So the compound word usually describes, what it looks like or what it is. Like a starfish is a fish that looks like a star. Here's some more. We have rain and we have coat. Those are two separate words. Join them together in one word and it's raincoat. It's a coat you wear in the rain, right? A pan and cake equals a pancake. It's a cake that you make in a pan, so to speak. So on and so forth. And now an ear and a ring. It's a ring you wear for an ear, on your ear, an earring, right? So now you understand what compound words are, and what can trick up a lot of third graders in the past is that they really try to take the word as a whole, like raincoat. And they think, oh man, that's a lot of letters, raincoat. But here's a trick, and what your assignment is going to help you do as well, is you try to split them up. So yes, it's one word and needs to be together when you spell out raincoat, but first spell rain and then spell coat. Now some third graders might say, oh man, you're just doubling our spelling words. Not exactly. Now, because you can see how much simpler it is to spell something like pan and then cake rather than pancake, right? Kind of look at this. These are all compound words. Footprint. It's a print that you leave with your foot, right? All these different things. Grasshopper. It's a hopper that hops in the grass. Whatever it could be. But first spell grass, then spell hopper. A meatball. It's a ball made out of meat. First spell meat, then spell ball. Moonlight is light from the moon. First spell moon, then spell light. You get the idea. But this is how compound words are made up. Remember, meatball, moonlight, myself, necktie, postman. Those are all one word. Please don't forget that. So yes, they are indeed made up of two words, but you gotta remember it's one word. Raindrop, postman, playroom. Those are one word. One word. Now, please don't get confused by this, but just like here, this is your assignment for all 12. If you notice, here it is. Write the 12 basic words. Draw a line between the two words that make up each compound word. Remember, it's one compound word made up of two words. But what they're trying to have you do is separate them for when you spell them, so that you don't spell airplane, you spell air, and then you spell plane. It makes airplane. Right? Now, what you need to do is write it out just like they did here, and then write a line in between the two words that makes up the one compound word. Airplane, air, plane, put a line in between air and plane. And that's what you do for all of these. Find, and it's not always going to be in the middle at all, but find the separation between where the two words meet to form the one compound word, just like this example here. That's your assignment, guys. Have a wonderful day as you praise your Savior.